Hi guys, welcome. This is a follow-up video about the grub Btrfs error, and I am totally noob at Btrfs, so if you see me or hear me say stupid things, tell me, and I'll stop sending out the video and delete the video, right? And that'll be that, and make me smarter. The thing is, I've installed a new system here, we're gonna show you soon, and it's called VFWM3. And I ran the scripts that we made, and they are in here. And what I noticed is when we launch our scripts, it created a symlink different to what I have on the other machine. It creates here an x2e snapshots mount once. Now our set command can't read this because this does not exist on our system. So there is something different between the two systems, and I need to make my set differently. It is pointing to this thing. I need to change actually the user lib systemd system grub Btrfs, and it might have been like that a month ago, but or I don't know what reason, but I need to change the file. If I do a clean install like this one, it is pointing to this, so I've written it down, and it's gonna be changed soon on our well, in the nemesis Github script. So it's different on a clean install, that's for sure. So systemd, this is an extra folder, and it's pointing to actually the official folder user lib systemd system grub Btrs path. I need to change this one because it is including snapshots again, right? So the only thing I have to do is change the path and then see what happens. I suppose I'll get my error on this machine as well now, and I'll do that. I'll see that when I boot up, and then I'm gonna make the script again, update the scripts, push to the internet, run it again, and that's what you do, right? Try to figure out things that change or are different. So if you are faced with the same issue, that's it. All right, I'm out. Cheers.